MULN stock analysis and MULN stock prediction. What I'll be breaking down here is my exact play with Mullen Automotive. It is already sitting at 58 cents with 21% correction. Unless I see the price giving me some proper shift or something like that, there is no way I'm going to look to double down by this. Because Mullen for the last 3 years, and I'm not even exaggerating, you can see like I have receipts in the Discord ranging back from 2023, this March, right? 2.5 years been bearish for me, and it's no different now, man. Like, we might even have another split, but unless there's proper breaks above 77 cents or anything similar, there's no way I'm looking to trade anything really. So if you want to get the free sauce, the risk-free sauce, like 1,200 people have gotten, click the first link in the description. All 5-star reviews. Don't have to spend 5 years of your time to learn this. You can learn it in like literal hours. It's risk-free. Goodbye. First link below.